What's up? Today we are working on a couple things here. We got Lorenzo's E90 in again to fix the sunroof. Shit, damn, that sucked. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm also probably gonna remove the roof rails. I think I'm gonna remove them.
No.
I'm gonna see how it looks.
No.
I'm gonna go for it.
It's gonna look weird.
What if it looks amazing?
I mean, it could. Or it could look worse.
Because I could always just put them back on.
Yeah, that's true.
I tried to take off the X5 ones. You have to drop the headliner.
Oh, no, really?
Stupid,
This
right?
is horrible.
Anyways, I hate cars. So, yeah, we're going to get to that today. We'll try and show you guys step by step on exactly what needs to be done, but sometimes I forget to record things, so I'll probably let Lorenzo do it all just so I can focus on recording. I mean, it is his car anyway.
True.
I'm just here to supervise and record. And also,
Radiator flush.
radiator flush. Someone put green coolant in this. That's no bueno. We need blue
Yeah.
coolant. Blue coolant only, so we'll flush it. And yeah, let me go remove my roof rails real quick. Let Lorenzo get set up whatever he's doing. I gotta find him a bucket, which I already have one right here. And then, yeah, I'll come back once my rails are off, and we'll see where Lorenzo's at. Right back. All right, so what we've got here is some
So you have two bolts. There's gonna be one here, one here. It's gonna be on both sides, which those have to come out.
So
So you can access it.
So I was probably covering the microphone, so if you couldn't hear, this is to remove the sunroof glass to basically get this out easier. So yeah, let's get all four of these out and then we'll be back.
I think that.
All right, so correction, it's actually 6 of them. So
it's right. There's one right here. Right here. Right there. That's on both sides.
And then obviously on both sides, so yeah, there's that. Okay, so the sunroof was open, now it's closed. The glass is obviously out. So the next step is making sure that this is closed before we move further with removing this out. And basically removing that out, there's clips and stuff, and I'll show you right now when we move it, how to get that out. All right, so the next step is popping these things out. So like this is gonna come out of this carrier right here. Once that pops out, this can come up. All right, now that this is up, we're gonna scoot it forward, and then we're gonna use the leverage in here to pop that out.
It's gonna sound bad.
So we're gonna come in here, pop that out. So now that's out, we can move on to the next step of getting this all the way out. All right, so we're gonna come in here with a pick and pop these little guys out. Okay, so we're gonna get small here, and then apparently we gotta push these in, you see? So that's out. I got this side out.
Yeah, this is too big. There you go, perfect.
Can't you just slide it out from here?
Yeah. Oh,
So then you can just slide it out, and now we got this out. So we are going to work on
taking off some of the.
moving some of this out of the way or off of this because we want a good surface to adhere.
Also helps if you have the old vinyl that
Yeah.
came off of it.
So if you don't want to rewrap your headliner in different color or
You can even see
know,
where they
stuff
use
like
tape to
this.
put it
Yeah.
on.
we're gonna
It's
clean
reusable.
both of these up, and then we're gonna stick it in with glue to hold the centerpiece, and then we're also gonna staple around so that it doesn't fail again, basically. But yeah, we'll be right back. So we're laying the adhesive now. so we can put this on. Chelsea's not very optimistic about it, but I'm gonna let her do her thing anyway. She used to wrap headliners back in her her glory days, so we're letting her take care of it. Now they are trying to line it up. Yeah, I think it's got enough stretchability in it.
Not once it touches. Hold on. Let me lay these corners. And then stretch this top.
I'm always in sandals and shit.
Yeah, see, and that guy used staples right here on the side to hold it.
I got you. I got that industrial stapler we'll use.
You can start like going from the center and go out.
So how to wrap headliners 101 apparently.
No.
Lorenzo, you need to stretch that down there. Big dog.
Well, help him, Louie. Help me. Put your foot on it.
All right. So got the rails off. Car looks like a car now, actually. So it looks more like a car now, not like an SUV. I like it without the rails. So we're gonna keep the rails off. So the car came with this pillar painted, half-ass painted black, and then this one was unpainted, like it was still tan. And it's been bothering me for a while, but fucking Lorenzo decided to fucking point it out.
Oh yeah.
So now here we are painting both those black. So we are, or they are, I didn't do shit for this, but this is all pretty much done. We're stapling this, but we ran out of staples. So off to Walmart we go in the Stan's car to buy staples. Be right back. Okay, now we're ready to reinstall. It's not the best job, obviously, but it will work. So gotta slide this bad boy in there. Can you get that one in?
Do I have to slide this?
We should just be able to
Oh, okay. I was gonna do it.
like slide it in. Okay. All right, so both of those things are out. What we're gonna use the flathead for is to pull this back as much as we can. There you go. Come over here. Let's slide this in. There we go. All right, and then we're gonna put all of the guides back in. So I'll give you two. And yeah, so these guides are gonna go back in here. Okay, so you're gonna need a small screwdriver because you're going to leverage in right here. And that's gonna pull that back far enough so that you can fit old boy in there. See? And then you let go. It's got enough in there. So both those in, I'm gonna go help Lorenzo. So in reverse, of course, you pop this back into this little clip, and then you pop the arm back into here. This is good to go. Gonna open up these sunroof so we can put the glass back in. All right, so we got all the screws here, and look at that. So there's different spots for them, whatever. Just gonna let Lorenzo do it because I don't have this kind of patience. So yeah, just put all 6 screws back and you're done. In unfortunate news, I broke my controller, so I need to buy a new one. I can still air up and out. I just can't see anything. Like the backlight doesn't work at all. Or the backlight works, the light, but it doesn't do anything number wise. So I'll show you guys. So nothing. I'm not gonna let it actually air up because I don't want to deal with airing back out. My compressor's running and all that bullshit. I did find a controller out in Austin. I'm gonna try and pick that up as soon as possible. He wants $100 for it. I don't feel like spending $100 on a controller when I can still air up and out. But I'll probably do it anyway, just because I don't know, it bothers me, I guess. I don't know. If I ever want to ride a little bit higher, if I put weight in the back and stuff, and I don't really know because I literally cannot see anything. I've got my other controller somewhere. I probably took that already, but I've got the other controller as well, but it has a crack on the screen, like at the corner, so you can't see anything anyway, as far as what that pressure is. And because the presets are stored in the controller themselves, I can't actually just stick with my presets. I have to redo the presets all over again. But yeah, I'll get working on that. I am gonna check this out, see if my pillars are working or dry, so I can put them back in and get on with my day. Yeah, they're dry, so I'm gonna go and put those back in. Glass is on. That's in. Dirty, but it's in, so we can deal with that later. It could be cleaned also. We'll probably use some simple green. This is the truth. This is also the truth. This is probably a little bit harsher though, so probably won't use that because there is adhesive behind it, and this will probably eat that adhesive.
Peace out. I'll see you
later. We didn't do the coolant flush because I got busy with my car and I just was slacking off. But yeah, that's done. Roof rails are off. I think it looks great. Both pillars are now painted black, so that's kind of cool, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you're still watching, I'll catch you guys later next time. Peace.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Right on triple chrome, glide on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks.